In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Notion pages into beautiful presentations using AI, all in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves organizing projects, this guide will be indispensable for you. So, let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Notion account. If you haven't used Notion before, it's a versatile tool that lets you organize your projects, take notes, and collaborate with others. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page you want to transform into a presentation. This could be anything from a project brief, lecture notes, or even your next big idea. Once you have your page ready, look for the Share button located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the sharing settings. Now, you'll want to make your page publicly accessible. To do this, select the Publish option. And once the page is published, click again to generate a public URL. This link is crucial, as it allows the AI to access your content. After you have your public URL, head over to the Gamma AI dashboard. If you're new to Gamma AI, it's a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to create dynamic and visually appealing presentations. In Gamma, find the option to create new with AI, and choose the Import from URL option from the menu. This feature allows you to seamlessly bring your Notion content into Gamma. Next, paste the public Notion page URL you copied earlier into the provided field. This step links your Notion content with Gamma AI, allowing it to fetch all your information for transformation. Now you'll find yourself in the prompt editor. Here, you have the flexibility to choose how your content is distributed across your presentation. You can opt for an automatic method, which quickly organizes everything for you, or a manual approach if you prefer to have more control over each element. This is also your opportunity to add some flair. Insert visuals that complement your content and select a theme that suits your style and purpose. Once you're satisfied with your setup, hit the Generate button. This is where the magic happens. Gamma AI will transform your Notion content into a structured presentation, saving you a ton of time and effort. After the presentation is generated, you still have options to tweak and improve it. You can add more components to extend the presentation's functionality, or use AI features to edit both content and visuals for polished results. Finally, once everything is perfect, you can share your presentation or export it in the format that best suits your needs. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've turned your Notion page into a captivating presentation, ready to impress your audience. Thanks to the combined power of Notion and Gamma AI, creating stunning presentations has never been easier. Enjoy exploring these tools and happy presenting.